Put a little powder in that glass hole. Step back. Here comes the cannoneer now. 3, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking. Yeah. I wish my first time was that good. It was probably that fast. Well, boys and girls, since we fired that cannon off, I'd like to go ahead and make the official introduction. Get Gina and Catfish up here. Everybody take a quick look. Boys and girls, one more time, Mr. and Mrs. Fulton Rivers. We've also got Catfish's daughters here. Miss Sarah, where's Miss Sarah at? She's up wandering around. She's chasing Hunter around. That's a good job right there. Miss Sarah, Mr. Hunter was the ring bearer. We've got Miss Claire here, which is Catfish's youngest daughter. Guys, take a good look. Get your last little picture in.
Grandma, Grandpa.
One heck of a family right there. Good thing they didn't take after Catfish, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get y'all lined up for that first dance. Catfish, grab your wife right there.
When I'm sitting in traffic some afternoon,
You already got a beer.
bored to death in some waiting room, well, I'm gonna close my eyes and picture you today.